So if you are a multifamily developer, you are likely intimately aware of CMHC, Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation Select. If you're building like a $10 million, $20 million project to drop your cost of funds by 2 or 3%. So where solar pairs into that nicely is there is a energy efficiency requirement in CMHC Select that rooftop solar can help you achieve. So that would be one reason to do it. A second reason to do it would be to reduce the common area costs. So your elevators, your lobby, your parking area, your lighting. Solar can actually reduce those costs to both the condo board or to the apartment property management group. Those would be the two reasons to put solar on multifamily. We have that solar leasing program. We'll take a down payment. We will realize the investment tax credit on your behalf, lease it back to you over, say, 10 or 15 years at a rate that's less than you'll save on power. So it's savings from day one. It's cash flow positive. It's great for condo corporations. It's great for apartment management groups.